Hi guys, I'm happy to be here today. Today we're going to do a review on a new mascara. It's by Revlon and it's called the new Volumazing Mascara. And it's up to 24-hour wear. It costs $8.99, which I had a coupon, so I think I got it for $4.99. I think if you bought multiple products, you got one for half off. And it's in this beautiful, pretty purple tube. And it has some pretty big claims. So if you're interested in seeing my review, stay tuned. We're going to do a test to see how it works on my eyelashes. And when I was reading about this mascara, they said that they did a consumer study. They took 50 participants and they put 2 coats of mascara on. And for each coat they did 25 swipes, which is a lot. I don't usually do each coat 25 swipes. But they found 100% of them found more volume. 96% said there was a rich, intense color to their eyelashes. And 92% said they quickly built up their lashes and that the lashes appeared to be longer. So let's see what we can do here. I love the color of the tube. And this is it. And we talked about, they say that the filaments are made in such a way that they get more of the lashes, as they're built that way to put more coverage on the lashes. So we'll see. So I'm gonna put 2 coats. In the first one, I'll do 25 times. That's 25 times. I think I did it 26, but that's okay. And then I'll put another one, and I'll swipe this one 25 times. $21, $22. Okay, that's my top lashes. Okay, this is what it looks like with 25, 2 coats each with 25 each. And I do see the lengthening, I see the fullness. I think it looks great, really. It's very creamy. It comes on really nice. You really don't have to work hard to get it on there. But I really like the way it looks. So I'm going to put some on my bottom lashes now. I like the way the brush is. It seems to catch them very easy. And that's how I just do it. I kind of wisp a little, tap it, because this can get quite messy if you're not careful. Okay. Now I'm going to do my other one. We're going to do 2 coats, 25 each. Now this is my totally blind eye. So it's, and my husband accidentally cut these lashes. So we'll see what we can do. and this is about 25. Okay, I'm gonna swipe it again. We'll put 25 more. Okay, that's plenty. I went over, I think, but I think it looks great. I have some on my, the best thing to do if you get some on your eye makeup is just to let it dry, and you can kind of scrape it off because it doesn't stick to your skin. It won't stay on your skin. And I'm put some on the bottom lashes. I think that's all I'm gonna do, and I really like how they look. Another good drugstore option for anybody looking for a mascara. I really like the way these work, and they have 3 shades. They just came out with the Blackest Black, and they also have, let me make sure I get this correct. They have Blackest Black, Black, and Blackened Brown, which if you don't want that deep black, that's what you would go with. I think if you have blonde hair, that would be a good option. It's not as harsh as a black mascara, but sometimes you want black. So, but this, I would give this a thumbs up. I really like how it sets on the lashes. I like the creaminess of it. I like how it lengthens the lashes. And the thing that's different about this mascara is the filament, the brush, the filaments on the brush. It has a carved out center, and the way they created the bristles on the brush, it's supposed to hold some of the product in. So when you're putting on the mascara, it gives you more mascara and it spreads it out evenly to give your lashes a more fanned out look. So let me wear this a while today, and I'll get back with you and we'll see how it wears to this afternoon for a few hours. Okay, we're back, and I've had the mascara on a little over 8 hours, and it still looks like when I just put it on. I really, really, really like this formula, and for $8.99, which I purchased it for $4.99, you can't go wrong. So if you're interested in trying this one on, it's called Revlon Volumazing Mascara, and I love the formula. It's very creamy. It did not flake. It thickened and lengthened my eyelashes. It did everything it claimed it would do. It was just great. I give it a thumbs up. I think it's worth giving it a try if you're looking for a new mascara. It doesn't have any sort of smell if you're sensitive to that. Maybe a slight smell. I think it's just great. A great Revlon product. So if you're interested in looking at this product, I'll link a link below. You can look at call it up and look at what they claim it should do. I want to remind everyone we have that giveaway going on. Leave a comment so you can get an entry. I'll link the giveaway video up here if anybody doesn't know what the giveaway is. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to get notifications, hit that bell. And now we have options on the bell. You can, once you hit the bell, you're going to get an other button you can press. You can either get all notifications, some, or none. So please hit that. You want all my notifications of my videos. And the channel is moving so fast right now. I'm just so excited. So have a good day, rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.